If you want to play games on your Android phone using a Joy-Con controller, you're in luck. It works through Bluetooth and the setup takes just a minute. No adapter or special app needed. Let's get started. First, go to your Android phone settings. Tap on Connections or just go to Bluetooth. This setting is usually found like the way I'm showing you here. Make sure it's turned on. Now keep the screen open. We'll come back here in a second. Now, go around and pick up your Joy-Con either left or right. On the side, you'll see a small black button next to the SL and SR buttons. Right in the middle, that's the sync button. Hold it down until the LED light starts blinking rapidly. That means the Joy-Con is now discoverable. Back on your Android phone's Bluetooth screen, you'll see a Joy-Con L or Joy-Con R appear. Simply tap on it to start pairing. Accept any pairing confirmations if you're prompted. And you'll see the blinking lights go solid or turn off once it's connected. After this, you can just open up a game that supports external controllers. Side tip though, you can't use these Joy-Cons for all your games on Android. Only a few specific ones like Asphalt or Call of Duty. These Joy-Cons work best when you use emulators to play Nintendo Switch or PlayStation games. So folks, that's all there is to it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys liked it, and if you play games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, or emulators using this method, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Nintendo Switch and mobile gaming guides.